I'm talking about the 8 years personality trait and also developmental trait and how we can reinforce it in our classroom. So you can see the 8th grade, they are very humorous and sometimes they are also get very bored, and they isolate themselves. Sometimes occasionally they like sports too, and they are very imaginative. You can see they are very imaginative, and they have lots of ideas. You can see there is a honey of idea. From there we can move to here, that they are sometimes social butterfly. You can see sometimes social butterfly. Sometimes they are gender biased too. They play with the same gender people, and also they are very sometimes weighing stuff at the time. They think about fairness and justice. They talk about that, and you can see we'll come back here, and if you give them work, they do half away, but they enjoy the process of learning, because here is a cutting example. They did half of it, and then we'll come back here, but let's go here. They're very interested about others cultures and other people, other people's cultures. And then they're very hard worker in reading books. They're very pretty vocab strong, and they love independent reading, and they love fiction and non-fiction both. And mathematically they love fractions, and they start learning about measuring, weighing stuff. And the theme they're interested in is school, community, neighborhood, etc. They love to talk about themselves. And here you can see they do cursive writing pretty well, and yardstick, the compound word. They're getting exposed to compound word at this age, and they also the spellings are expected to be correct from them at that age level. And what is the teacher's expectation? What we can reinforce this in the classroom? We can move, the inch by inch the yardstick. The class activities shouldn't be more than half an hour. So it should be not more than half an hour. And teachers should do this part by part as a block, so that they don't get frustrated. And teachers can make some graph about their progress, so that the children can see their progress in their own eyes. So I think that's all about 8 years traits and the classroom implementation, how we can do from that information. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.